was 8 years old, 5 hours disappeared from my life. 5 hours, gone without a trace.
Are you ready? Here we go.
Tonight on World of Mystery, we investigate the terrifying world of UFOs.
I think I was taken too. I keep a log of all my dreams.
Someone else is with me. Another boy.
You're on your way to uncovering the truth. Maybe concentrate on that other boy in your dreams. He could help you find the answers you're looking for.
I know all Neil's secrets. There's shit there you don't even want to know about, trust me.
I'm looking for an N. McCormick.
I was bleeding! I kept passing out! I went my fucking bed and you never asked why! I'm so fucking sick of this stinky little butt crack of a town! Go, go, go!
What happened that summer? It's a huge part of